Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by preparing the printer and the computer. Make sure the printer has power, paper, and ink, and that error lights are clear. Once done, decide whether you'll use USB, Ethernet, or Wi-Fi and gather the necessary cable or network password. Next, turn the printer on and connect the cable or put the printer into Wi-Fi setup mode. Finally, on your PC, open the system's printer settings to let the operating system detect the new device and prompt driver installation. Now you install and configure. If possible, use the manufacturer driver for full features. Otherwise, the OS generic driver works for basic printing. For a network printer, find its IP from the printer menu or router so you can add it by address. This avoids discovery problems. Next, choose the correct port and paper profile, set duplex or color preferences, and select the printer as default if you want. These steps ensure predictable print output and avoid repeated reconfiguration. Finish by printing a test page to confirm alignment, color, and margins. This verifies both connection and driver settings. If the page needs tweaks, adjust quality, paper type, or alignment in printer preferences and run any built-in maintenance. Once satisfied, share the printer on your network if needed and set permissions. If the computer cannot find the printer, restart the printer and PC, check firewall rules and router connectivity, and then reinstall the driver. Often a quick restart and driver reinstall fixes common problems.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.